In the sweltering heat of Miami's Hard Rock Stadium, the Jacksonville Jaguars clashed with the Miami Dolphins in 2018, only for nature to intervene in a way no one anticipated. An electrifying lightning storm rolled in, forcing officials to halt the game's progression. Players scrambled for cover, astonished spectators braced under the stands, and stadium officials executed emergency protocols against the electric display over the field. The unexpected pause didn't just disrupt the game, it highlighted how unstoppable natural forces can create shared, unforgettable experiences in sports history. As players emerged from the safety of the locker rooms, the shift in momentum was palpable, proving that in the NFL, even Mother Nature can take the spotlight.